Hey guys, it's James here from Certified RV, and we're here at Luxe RV in Fifth Wheels. So we are going to kind of go over some of the solar that we offer and that Luxe is offering, new packages for all their units, which is fabulous news for everybody. So kind of want to talk about some of the main components that go in solar. I'm not going to talk about everything that goes in there because there's a lot to go in these things, but the main things that you're going to want to look for that's going to go in our solar packages. Well, we'll start over here. Solar panels. So we'll have 200 watt and 320 watt solar panels. Those are one of the main components. The other main component will be your solar controller, which that will be one of the main components that goes in your unit. Then we're going to have your battery, and we use lithium batteries that are heated, protected, so they're smart lithium batteries. And then we're going to go to your solar inverter. So your inverter controller, panels, and batteries, those are your main components that are going to be in all of our solar packages. So how it all works. Basically, you got your solar panel on the roofs, which collect all the energy from the sun, which will go into a controller. The controller monitors what it does. It's the brains of the whole thing. It monitors how much you can put into your batteries and when your batteries are full. Without a controller, you're just going to directly load your batteries up. It's not going to know when to stop, and it's very bad on your batteries, so you have to have a controller. Then you're going to have your inverter charger system. So that's going to take all your battery power and convert it to everything you need to run in your coach, your plug-ins, TVs, refrigerators, lights. That's how that all gets into your coach. So that's the main things on how it works. Why do you want solar? Lots of reasons why you want solar. One is a safety backup. So you're traveling, you're trying to get to a destination, you have a tire blowout, you have to go off the side of the road, you got to park somewhere where there's no plug-in, no shore power, you don't have enough gas in your generator, you don't have a generator. Solar is your savior. So you're going to have power to do whatever you need to do to get to your next destination. Another reason, a lot of campgrounds have quiet time. So even if you have a generator at night, you're not going to run it. If you're not one of the lucky ones that get to shore power, then you could live off your solar power all night until you can rerun your generator. So that's another reason. A lot of questions I get. A lot of people want to save money by they have a all year round campsite. They plug in, but they have to pay for the electric, the water, the whole 9 yards. So they want to use their solar first. So what they'll do is not plug in, use all this free energy you're getting from your solar and use all that first. And then when your batteries are kind of starting to get down or you're using more than what you can pull in, then they plug in for secondary. So they use their shore power as a secondary, which saves them tons of money over the year of not using electric. So another reason, special machinery you want to have for backup. Say you have a CPAP type machine, you can end up with a power outage, or you don't have a generator, your generator's not working, or you run out of gas or anything like that. You have backup, you have your solar that's going to keep your CPAP and everything going all night. You still have all your functions. So we covered shore power. If you're at a campground, no shore power, then you have solar. Also, if you like boondocking, you just want to go away from it all, and you're out in the middle of everywhere, you use your generator and then solar, and you're good to boondock as long and wherever you want. So that's some of the main functions of why you're going to want solar in an RV. Let's go over some of our packages. So the good thing is, like I said, Luxe is available packages for solar. They're going to have all your packages available as you're picking out everything you want to do in your unit. You'll be able to pick out a great solar package for your unit too, all at the same time. So let's talk about some of the packages. Elite Independent Heading Out package. That's our, I would say, starter package that you want to get into it. That package, it's going to control your DC outlets, your microwave, your DC power, your outlets, your microwave, your refrigerator, and you'll be able to use one AC with that package. That package is going to be 800 watts of solar panels up on your roof. You're going to have a single solar controller and also a single inverter. That's going to also come with 600 amp hours of batteries. So you're going to have 600 amp hours of lithium battery life. So that's the Elite Independent Heading Out package. Your Extreme Traveler on the Road package. That is our second package. And you're going to be able to control DC power, your outlets, microwave, refrigerator, and 2 ACs on this. It's going to have 1,600 watts of solar. You're going to have a single controller, a single inverter, and you're going to end up having 800 amp hours of batteries. Now, our off-grid boondock package, that's our biggest package. That's where you're going to be out in the middle of nowhere for a long time. Say you want to go out west, quartzsite, and go out in the desert and just park. So that package, that's going to include 2,400 watts of solar. You're going to be able to run everything in your coach. All the ACs, just everything. And you're going to have 1,400 amp hours of batteries, which is a lot of battery power. And then you're going to end up having 2 inverter controllers over there, and you're going to have 2 inverters. So you're going to have 6,000 watts of inverting power going into your coach. That is our biggest and best package. We're going to take you outside in one of the bays and kind of show you a little bit of how it's going to look in there. So here we are out in the bay, and I'm going to tell you we have the cleanest setups there are. This is like the off-grid package, boondocker package I was telling you about, where you have 2 of your main inverters. You got 2 of your controllers. You're going to have 1,400 amp hour of batteries. And then, like I tell you, that's just a little bit of what goes into it, because you're going to have all your fuses, your shutoffs, your breakers. Also, you're going to have all your control panels where all the batteries are going into, solar coming down into the roof. There's a lot more that goes into these. We are also capable. Every one of our units and our packages are capable of us watching and monitoring it no matter where you're at, as long as you're in Wi-Fi. We can monitor what your coach is doing, and we could also change any of the parameters that we need to change. If you have anything going on, we can fix it from here and test it and see how it's doing. Every one of our packages will include that. Every one of our packages will include a monitor in your coach, where you can monitor how much power you're using and how much power you're not using. Also, that is also Bluetooth to your phone, to where you can monitor it wherever you're at. So there's a lot of positive side to having a solar package in your RV. Plus, even if you are doing a generator, or if you're not doing a generator, you'll want the solar package in your RV. If you're doing a generator, then you still have that as a backup to your solar. So, it's just one of those good things to have, where you're just safe and secure wherever you go, and you have all the energy that you're going to want, and run everything in your coach. Thank you.